If your mouse receiver or dongle is lost or broken, there is no need to get tense because I will tell you how to pair your mouse with a new dongle or USB receiver first. You have to go to any browser. After that, you have to write the Logitech mouse pairing software. Download Logitech Options. Click the download button for the Logitech Options software. This software allows for advanced customization of your devices. Install the software. The download is complete. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Logitech Options. After installation, as soon as this file is installed, you have to open it. After opening, you have to insert your USB dongle. Pairing the USB dongle. Reconnect devices if necessary. If your devices do not connect automatically, ensure the USB dongle is properly plugged in and that the devices are powered on. Open Logitech Options. After installation, launch the Logitech Options software from your Applications or Start menu. Add devices. In the software, click on the Add Devices button if your mouse or keyboard is not listed. Follow on-screen prompts. Complete the setup by following any additional prompts to finalize the pairing. Wait for your operating system to recognize the device. Power on the devices. Make sure your Logitech mouse and keyboard are powered on. If your devices use batteries, ensure they are inserted correctly and have sufficient charge. Locate the Connect button. Look for the Connect button on the bottom of your mouse and keyboard. This button is typically small and may require a tool or your fingers to press. Initiate pairing process. Press the Connect button on your mouse first. You should see an LED light blink, indicating that it is searching for a connection. Pair the keyboard. After pairing the mouse, press the Connect button on the keyboard. Similar to the mouse, the keyboard will also show an LED light to confirm the connection process. Automatic connection. Your devices should connect automatically to the USB dongle. You may receive a notification on your screen confirming the successful pairing. Test the devices. Move the mouse or type on the keyboard to ensure they are functioning properly. If they don't work, repeat the pairing steps. Use the software to customize settings such as button functions, sensitivity, and lighting, if applicable. Ensure compatibility. Verify that your devices are compatible with the Unifying Receiver, which allows multiple devices to connect to a single dongle. Final confirmation. Ensure everything is functioning properly by using the devices in various applications to confirm performance. Enjoy your setup. Your Logitech mouse and keyboard are now successfully paired and ready for use. Enjoy enhanced productivity and customization.